The Zamfara State chapter of the Nigerian Medical Association is to embark on a one-week strike from Thursday. The chairman, Dr. Mina Bature, yesterday said the Congress resorted to the strike option. According to the chairman, he said, "We can recall that the National Association of Government Generals, Medical and Dental Practitioners, an affiliate of NMA comprising doctors working with the Zamfara State government, embarked on an indefinite strike that began on November 30th. He also added that it was as a result of breakdown in the negotiation with representatives of the government on restoration of call duty allowances for doctors working with the state government. He also added that the action became necessary, having exhausted available platform to ensure the state government does the right thing by correcting the shortfalls in the salary of doctors. The People Democratic Party (PDP) in Edo State has urged Abdulkarim-led tribunal to dismiss the Action Alliance (AA) petition for abandonment and failing to file application for pre-hearing notice. He further added that the tribunal has no jurisdiction to entertain the petition. The Action Alliance (AA) lawyer Stephen Osagboro objected to the position and insisted that his clients had not abandoned the petition. Justice Abdulkarim adjourned till December 11 for ruling. 5 petitions were filed against Governor Godwin Obaseki, Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, and the People Democratic Party (PDP). The Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games began yesterday in 3 locations across the country. The acting director of Field and Allied Athletes, Simeon, said the athletes would be camped for 3 weeks in Port Harcourt, Abuja and Yenagoa. In Abuja, 8 para-athletes, 14 para-table tennis players and 8 weightlifters are in camp. In Port Harcourt, 4 track and field athletes under the supervision of 2 coaches are in camp, while 8 wrestlers are camped in Yenagoa, Bayelsa State under the supervision of 2 coaches. The first phase of camping was conducted at the High Altitude Training Center, Federal College of Education, Pangsheng in Plateau State, with 4 athletes in attendance. The first phase of camping was held from November 20 to December 9, while the second would take place from December 7 to 24th. Mrs. Eniye Zuokemefa Peter has been arrested by police operatives for allegedly killing her husband. Mr. Zuokemefa Peter was a lecturer at the Bayelsa State College of Education, Sangbama, Bayelsa State. The deceased wife was arrested following serious petition from the deceased family and on complaint of previous threats to his life over infidelity. According to reports, Zuokemefa Peter was shot twice by gunmen on Friday after transacting business in Ekiki area of Yenagoa. A relative said the deceased wife had many times threatened to kill her husband for allegedly having children outside their marriage due to inability to bear him a child. He also added that the wife left home many times, but they recently made up when he arrived at Yenagoa from a study trip abroad. According to report, the deceased had many times been attacked in their home, and he told his relatives and friends to hold his wife responsible for any harm which befalls him. The police are currently on the trial of 4 persons suspected to have killed Zuokemefa Peter, who were seen driving a red tinted Toyota car. The tinted Toyota car was seen moving around the deceased residence, and the suspects were later seen sharing money at a drinking spot few meters from the crime scene. According to the police spokesman, Asini Botswat confirmed the arrest but says the wife of the deceased was arrested based on previous threats. Youths in the community has called on police operatives to arrest Zuokemefa Peter's killers.